If you want to start making $100 a day by using SEO-free traffic, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. Now that your business is running smoothly and you have your orders coming in fast, you might start thinking about how to take your business further. How do you scale and grow, and become a giant? Basic growth. Of course, the most basic way to scale a reseller business is simply to keep reinvesting your money into more inventory and advertising. Here, you will use the profits from one bulk order and then use these to make a slightly larger order the next time, while also spending a little more on advertising. Each time you sell off your entire inventory, skim off your own salary, and then take this to invest in more. While this can work extremely well though, you will eventually need to diversify and create a portfolio of products. Very few businesses get rich by selling just one thing. This is once again where having a brand can become extremely useful. Branding. So, it's time to move on to your next product. But before you do that, you first need to consider building a brand. If you are currently selling a single product to people who don't know anything about your business, then you are not creating any incentive for them to be excited by a potential second product from you. On the other hand though, if you can create a brand around your product, then suddenly people will be far more likely to buy from you next time. You can create a brand by designing a logo and choosing a name for your business. From there, you can then include this on packaging. The products themselves. Look for a white label manufacturer. Invoicing. More importantly though, you're going to create a website, blog, YouTube channel, Instagram presence, or all of the above. This way, you can build an audience, gain trust and engagement, and then use this to create more interest in what you're selling. This is how you turn your products into must-have items and generate buzz for whatever you do next, before you even know what it is. With an army of loyal fans, you'll find that your growth comes much quicker and faster. Other fulfillment companies. One thing to consider is that there are other fulfillment companies out there that will provide all the same services as Amazon FBA. Just do a quick search for fulfillment service and you'll find that you have lots of options in your local area. This is a great choice if you want to get around Amazon's issues with selling internationally. And if you also combine this with a WooCommerce store or another e-commerce store on your own website, then you can use that to sell to your customers directly, reducing the overhead significantly and controlling the experience for your customers more tightly. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.